Hello everyone, welcome to the iflaw.in, India's first AI-powered legal tech portal. Today we will discuss about family law, also known as Hindu law. So, what is family law? Family law is a branch of law which deals with the family relationships and domestic issues like marriages, divorce, child custody, alimony, and adoption. Now we'll discuss about Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Hindu Marriage Act was enacted by the Parliament in 1955, which provides guidance for Hindus to be in a systematic marriage bond, as it gives meaning to the marriage and provides rights for both bride and groom and safety for their family and children so that do not suffer from their parental issues. It is applicable to all the Hindus. These are the sections under Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Section 5 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 discusses the conditions for Hindu marriage. Firstly, monogamy. Any person should not have a spouse living at the time of marriage as it is punishable under Section 494 of IPC. Next, prohibited degree of relationship. The person should not fall under the prohibited degree of relationship. Next, mental capacity. The person should not be suffering from any mental disorder and should be sound. Age. As we all know, the groom should attain the age of 21 years and the bride should attain the age of 18 years. Sapinda relationship. They should not fall under the Sapinda relationship unless it is allowed by the tradition. Section 8 discusses the registration of the marriage. Next, divorce. Divorce is a legal dissolution of marriage by a court, or a divorce is an official end of marriage, where couple can file a petition for mutual divorce, which means both the parties, that means husband and wife, mutually agree to get divorced, and they can file a petition for contested divorce. That means one party can seek divorce without the consent of the other party. The grounds for the divorce are adultery. Adultery is defined as an act of living with the intimate relationship with a person who is not legally widow's spouse. Next, cruelty. If husband or wife has been facing cruelty from any of them, can file divorce. Desertion. It means if wife or husband has not living together for the period of 2 years or more. Conversion. It means change of religion other than Hindus. Unsound mind. If any of them suffering from the mental disorder. Venereal disease. If wife or husband is suffering from the diseases like HIV or AIDS, etc., can file divorce. Next, child custody. It means that is the legal framework which defines parents' rights and responsibilities for raising a minor child below 18 years, especially after divorce. The types of child custody. First, physical custody. Physical custody means where a child lives and handles daily care. Next, legal custody. It is a right to make important decisions about the child life relating to the matters like education, healthcare, and religion. Next, sole custody. One parent, either wife or husband, has full rights and responsibility of the child. Next, joint custody. It is opposite to the sole custody. That means both the parents share responsibilities and decisions of the child. Now we will discuss about alimony. Alimony is a sum of amount of money that the court orders the person to pay to his or her partner after separation, and alimony exists to the person who is financially dependent after divorce. Alimony can be demanded by a wife who sacrificed career like staying home with kids for taking care of them, and also if one partner earns more, and this alimony helps to balance the financial gap between both the parties. But in recent decisions by the Delhi High Court, financially independent wife cannot demand alimony. Adoption. Adoption is a process where a person assumes the parenting for another and in so doing permanently transfers all the rights and responsibilities from the original parent to adopting parent. And according to the section 6, there are some important conditions of valid adoption. Firstly, the person taking or giving the child in adoption must possess the capacity and right to do so. Secondly, the adopted person must be capable of undergoing such adoption. Finally, the adoption must comply with the provisions of the Act, that is, Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act.